668. Let's go. So in the ARTGIRL shader strings, we've added a conceptual inline functions include file, calculate dug, and calculate out of bounds. Let's look at this. So there's a whole bunch of macros that we're redeclaring, and we've declared these in previous videos, but let's go over the math. So zop is a point on path. We're going to take uint frag chord x and y, and we're going to zero it out with the origin of the on-screen viewport to get a point on path. And then we're going to get the magnitude of VP0 minus 1. And then if we take zop and we put it over RM0, we're going to get a percentage coordinate on VP0. And we should be able to see that right down here. Yeah, zop over RMO is local percent chord x and y. Also, UFC right here, that is uint frag chord. So we're going to take the GL frag chord x and y, and we're going to get rid of that fucking texel center, and then we're going to invert the y-axis so that we have a same top left origin. That's what UFC is right here. Okay, so DLM x and y is the magnitude minus 1 of the off-screen viewport. So DLM stands for discrete local maximum. It's the discrete local maximum address of the off-screen data viewport. Dug is discrete unit global. It's the global coordinate that our screen chord maps to within like the off-screen, the dumb world space. So we take local percent coordinate and we multiply by the maximum possible addressable unit in DLM, and then we tack on the origin of VP1, and that's how we get dug. Okay, so this is just checking to see if we're out of bounds on screen, so the uint frag chord needs to be within VP0, otherwise we're in that black bar region of the screen. So right here, we're gonna put it all together. So we're gonna take our macros, and we're just going to wrap them up in little constructors and get UFC, LPC, and dug. Dug is one of the things that is going to escape from this scope right here. And then out of bounds black bar is set to 1 if the screen coordinate is outside of VP0, and it's in that black letterboxing. So right down here in shader source fragment 8, we're going to call main right here, and then here's our inline macro function variables, and then down here is where we're including that big macro file, and then right here is where we're doing the letterboxing stuff. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.